This is the Wallopton Tactical Steel Folding Knife. I've been playing with this thing for about an hour now, and it is nice. It is super sharp. Look, it just cut my thumb. It just cut my thumb just from that coming down and smacking it. That is how sharp this thing is. This is crazy sharp. This cardboard box just cuts it like butter. This thing came so sharp out of the box, it'll shave your hairs. Look at that. I got a bald spot. This thing is so sharp. Right out of the box it came super sharp. And you just close it like this. Push that little deal over. You can flick it open with your finger. Such a great knife. It came with a little star bit. Use it to take this apart and clean it. It's got a little belt clip. This thing is sturdy. This, I don't know what this is. I think it's carbon fiber. I'm not sure. But this is a really nice knife. This is the kind of steel you get on really, really high dollar knives. That is so sharp. You guys, you got to be careful with this knife because it is sharp. This is nice. Y'all check it out. I like it.